Hey everyone, welcome back to Gallabox tutorials. Manually sending welcome messages can be time-consuming and easily overlooked, leading to missed chances for a great first impression. Gallabox's automated welcome messages feature is here to help. This automatically sends a friendly welcome message to new customers when they initiate a chat, making them feel valued right from the start. Let's see how to configure automated welcome messages step by step. Start by navigating to Settings from the left navigation. Choose WhatsApp channel option from the second navigation. In the Settings menu, select WhatsApp channel. Switch to Configuration tab. Scroll down to find the Welcome Message option. Select a pre-written canned response that aligns with your brand and choose that response as your welcome message. If you don't have a canned response created which resonates with your brand voice, you can create new canned response and then choose the one created from the drop-down. Click Save to enable automated greetings for every new customer interaction. Also, in Cloud API, you have the option to send a welcome message as soon as they open a chat. To configure this, scroll back to the welcome message and click on Configure. This will redirect you to your Business Manager. In your Business Manager, click on Automations in the left navigation. You will see Welcome Messages option under Conversational Components. Click on Turn On. And that's how you set up automated welcome messages, ensuring every new customer receives a warm welcome, setting the stage for positive interactions and lasting relationships. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gallabox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.